what's up guys, Scott back again. So today I'm on my 2008 CRF450R and I'm gonna ride a couple small trails. So before you guys get too excited, I should warn you that I suck at riding dirt. So if you're looking for some badass jumps and whips and stuff, you're gonna be highly disappointed. However, if you want to stick around and kind of laugh at me attempt this, by all means, should be a good time. So there's a trail that heads out to what everybody calls the Dust Bowl, and it's a small track through some trails. And by track I mean it's just a turn and a jump, a couple turns and a jump. But the key is going to be if I can remember how to get out there. So I don't really ride dirt often. I've only done it a handful of times. The only reason I got a 450 was because I got a steal on it. Is it this one? I think it's this one. Well, only one way to find out, huh? So there's this big hill that you have to go up, and I came out a couple times and I always fuck the hill up. Excuse my French. I always mess the hill up. Why does it say danger? Is there somebody stuck there? I fell in this one last time too. Oh shit! I think somebody's stuck. What's going on, man? Hey, can I sneak around this way on the bike?
Yeah.
Appreciate it, man. Really don't want to do this in first. It's the hill that gets me every time. Whew, I made it. Water. Alright, so the key is you don't know if somebody's here, so you gotta kind of wait and check, make sure nobody comes zipping around that corner. There's the goddamn four-wheel drives out here fucking up our hills. Alright, so it's down. See if it's dried out over here. Then there's this bank turn here, and I suck at turns. And then up the hill, There's a kind of a straight, little curve, jump, another jump, and a big turn again, and then back around. These guys are fucking assholes. Oh, there you are. I already geared up. Let me make like 2 laps. Buy a 450, they said. I'm tired now. Buy a 450, they said. It's fun, they said. So you gotta kick that motherfucker.
Fucking assholes, man. As I'm walking in,
yeah,
the guy went right at me. You know, as if I have to fucking move for him, you know what I'm saying?
They're blocking the whole fucking thing. That's why I was texting him. So Mark came out. He was on a CRF450R, but he was playing not long ago. Got it super dirty. So he spent a long time cleaning it, getting it all cleaned back up, and didn't want to get it all nasty again. So he parked it at the entrance. That was a good jump. Oh, that one hopped the tail up a little bit. Alright, I just saw him walking the trail, so I think we're clear. I'm gonna make a couple more laps and I'm gonna head out of here as well. I'm getting a little more comfortable on this bike. I'm not gonna say I'm good. Oh shit. See, I jinxed it. I'm not gonna say I'm good, but I'm getting more comfortable. Tell me in the comment, guys, what do you ride? Do you ride on-road, off-road? What kind of bike? You don't ride? What brings you to the channel? You still enjoy it? You just don't ride anymore? I appreciate all viewers, whether you ride or not. Alright, I think I'm gonna do one more. Man, I'm old. I get tired out quick. This is my exercise. It's a hell of a workout. That breeze feels good. It's hot today. It's like 80 degrees. See if I can't get that jump pretty good. Oh shit. Oh, that kind of hurt my wrist. It's a little a little messed up from when I crashed the Grum. Alright, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I don't want to tire myself out. Then I still gotta go back. I like riding trails, I'm just not any good at it. So they're opening a new motocross track. I went to one once before, but I hadn't been on the bike very much at all. So, oh shit, I went the wrong way, didn't I? So it was a little difficult. No, this is the way. It's just difficult. Woo, woo. All right. I always find it scarier going down. Should be easier, but it's scary. Oh shit. Alright, so just gonna give it hell. I don't get my bar stuck. Alright guys, I'm going to be back at the van here shortly because it's not far to where I parked. So, thanks for watching guys, I appreciate it. If you're not already, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you click the bell up top so you get notifications when I upload new videos. If you guys like this video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up, that really helps out. I think you guys really understand how much that helps out. I start getting thumbs ups on videos, it really helps the YouTube algorithm. So thanks guys, I'm Rockin' Scott, and as always, ride safe. Woo, yeah! A 450 power, baby.